Composer, DS2, configure DS2. In this video, we'll show you how to configure a DS2 in your project. Here are the steps to follow. 1. Installing communication agent. 2. Adding the DS2 driver. 3. Adding relays. 4. Configure intercom. Installing the communication agent. First of all, you need to install the communication agent if you haven't already done so. In Compose Pour, click on Agents, Add, then double-click on Communication. Wait for the services to start up. Adding the DS2. Connect the DS2 to the network, which is configured in DHCP by default. On Composer Pro, in the System Design tab, click on the room in which you want to install the DS2. On the right-hand side, click on Discovered. Double-click on the DS2. You can check the firmware version. If it is red, then an update is necessary or already in progress. If it is green, the firmware is in the correct version. Wait 5 minutes. In the Properties tab, the connection status should change to Online. Go to the Actions tab of the DS2 driver. Select Auto Config. Wait another 5 minutes. Verifying communication agent. In Compose Pour, click on Agents then Communication. Check that the DS2 is ready. Adding relays. To be able to drive the DS2 outputs to open doors, you need to add the relays to the project. On the DS2 driver, click on Actions then set up Relay 1 Door Lock or set up Output 1 Door Lock depending on your wiring. The drivers and connections will be added automatically. In the DS2 lock driver, you can define a code that will allow you to open a door if you have a keypad. Rename the DS2 lock driver. Intercom. Click on the Intercom section of the DS2 in the System Design section. Take advantage of this to rename the driver so that it is clearer for the customer. For example, Front Door Intercom. Activate the necessary custom buttons and name them, for example, Unlock Front Door. Next, go to the Programming section to add the action to be performed when the custom button is pressed. Select the DS2 driver in the Device Events section, then the Relay driver in the Device Actions section. Select Unlock then drag the action into the Script section. Don't forget to do a refresh navigator so that everything is visible in your client interface. Thank you for watching this video. Don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel to be notified of new videos. You can also find all our products and other tutorials on our website.
Wow.